Hi everybody, I'm so excited to see you all today. Isn't it a lovely day? Now children, let's sing the good morning song. Good morning dear children, good morning to you. I love you dear children, I hope you love me too. Good morning dear children, good morning to you. I love you, dear children. I hope you love me too. Hey, look outside the window. How is the weather today? It's a hot day. Now children, let us sing the weather song. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? It's a hot day, it's a hot day, it's a hot day today. Children, I'm so glad you are here today, and today I'm going to teach you about addition. Addition is a chapter in maths. And now children, I'm going to sing a song for you. I'm going to sing a rhyme. Are you ready to listen? One little monkey sitting on a wall. Along came another one and joined him all. Now how many monkeys do we have? One, two. Two little monkeys sitting on a wall. Two little monkeys sitting on a wall. Along came another one and joined him all. Now how many monkeys do we have? One, two, three. Three little monkeys sitting on a wall. Three little monkeys sitting on a wall. Along came another one and joined them all. Now how many monkeys do we have? One, two, three, four. Four little monkeys sitting on a wall. Four little monkeys sitting on a wall. Along came another one and joined them all. Now how many monkeys do we have? Let us count. One, two, three, four, five. And five little monkeys sitting on a wall. And all the five monkeys had fun. Now children, I'm going to show you how to count the daily objects in our house. I have flowers with me, and now I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3 flowers. 3 flowers this side, and 1, 2, 3 flowers this side. 3 this side and 3 this side. Now let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have all together 6 flowers. So children, what is addition? Addition means to put all things together. Additions means combining. Addition means joining. When we do addition, the number increases. See, first we had 3. Now all together they became 6. 6 flowers. Okay children, now I'm going to show you. I have 1, 2 apples. 2 apples this side, and then my friend gives me another 2 apples. 1, 2. So I have 2 apples this side and 1, 2. 2 apples this side. Now how many apples do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. Now I have 4 apples. Okay children, now I'm going to show you. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, bells. How many bells do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 bells. My friend gives me another 3 bells. 1, 2, 3. Now how many bells do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bells. How many bells do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bells. How many bells do I have? 9 bells. So now I have so much. See the number, it became more. It became, by adding another 3 bells, it became so many bells. So all together I have 9 bells. Okay children, now I'm going to show you some more objects. Look at these. I have 2 chocolates. 2 chocolates. My friend gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chocolates. My friend gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chocolates. I had 2 chocolates and my friend gave me 7 chocolates. So now how many chocolates do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 chocolates. So children, all together my chocolates became more. 9 chocolates. Okay children, now I want you to look. I want you to see here on my board. I have 1 star, another star. 1 and 1 makes 2. 1 and 1. See here children, I'm writing 1 and 1 is equal to 2. 1 and 1 is equal to 2. Okay? Now, look at this children. We use the plus sign, the addition sign. We use this. This is the addition sign. Okay? And this is the equal to sign. So 1 and 1, 1 and 1 equal to 2. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now let us count the froggies. See, I have some picture. I have pictures of froggies. Let us count the froggies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many froggies do I have? 5 froggies. So I'm going to write here 5. Okay, 5 plus. Now how many froggies do I have this side? 1, 2, 3. How many froggies? 3 froggies. Now let us count all together. How many froggies? All together we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many froggies we have all together? 8 froggies. Let's do it again. One more time children. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already counted this and we wrote here 5. Now let's count this side. After 5 comes 6, 7, 8. And that is, we got the answer 8. These were 3 froggies. So 5 and 3 makes 8 froggies. How many children? 5 and 3 makes 8 froggies. Now children, I'm going to show you some more picture addition. Look at the board. I'm going to remove this and I'm going to draw some pictures. Okay. See here, children. I have 1, 2 trees. How many trees do I have? 2 trees. Okay. See here. 1 and 2. How many trees? 2 trees. Now, on the other side, I have 1. On the other side also, I have 1 and 2 trees. 2 trees. So I have this side 2 trees and I have this side 2 trees. Now how much do I have all together? Let us count. All together how many trees are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. All together how many trees do we have? How many trees do we have? 4 trees. Again, let us do it once more, children. Let's count one more time. 1, 2 trees plus 1, 2 trees. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 trees. How many trees, children? How many trees? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many trees? 2 plus 2 equals to 4 trees. 1, 2, 3 and 4 trees. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4 trees. Okay, I will show you another children, I will show you another picture. Look at the board, everybody. Okay. Now, let us look here. Everybody look here. I have 4. Now this is the plus sign and the 4 added to 0. 4 added to 0. 4. Okay. 4 added to 0. Now 4, when you add any number with 0, the number is the same. Okay. Now 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Empty. So whenever you add any number, okay, whenever you add any number to 0, the number remains the same. So 4 added to 0, 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. Okay? Okay, children, 4 added to 0 is equal to 4. Now, I will another number. Let's take another number. 2 added to 0 equals to how much? How much? What did I tell you? Any number added by 0, it remains the same. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be 2. 2 added to 0 equals to 2. Okay, children. Now, I will show you another sum. Okay, see here. Or look at the board. Look here. See here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles. How many marbles do I have? How many marbles do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles. I have on the other side? 1, 2. 2 marbles. Okay? On the other side, I have 2 marbles. Now, 6 marbles and 2 marbles. 6 marbles and 2 marbles. How many marbles are those? Let us count. We will count. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 marbles. After 6 comes 7, 8. So 6 and 2 makes how many marbles? 8 marbles. Okay? So 8 marbles. Let us draw 8 marbles here. We will draw here 8 marbles. 6 and 2 makes 8 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marbles. So 6 and 2 makes 8 marbles. Isn't that more? Okay. See now I have more marbles. First I had 6 marbles. Then my friend gave me 2 more marbles. Now I have 8 marbles. So it became more. Whenever you do addition, the number increases. The number becomes more. Okay children. Now I will show you how to do addition by using your fingers. Let's do some addition sums using fingers. Okay? I'm going to write some sums here. Okay. Look here children. 3 added to 2. Okay. Now, always take the up number in your mind. 3 in my mind. What is this number? 2. 2 on my fingers. 3 in my mind. 2 on my fingers. 1, 2. Now count. Count. Forward counting. 3, 4, 5. How much? 3 in my mind. 2 on my fingers. 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 5. So the answer is 5. Let me write it here. 5. Okay children. Now let's do another sum. Let's do another addition sum. 4 and 4 is how much? 4 and 4 is how much? Now which number will go to the mind? Top number. Top number. 4 in my mind. And which number on the fingers? Down number. Down number on my fingers. 4 in my mind. 4 on my fingers. So 4. Now let us count. 4. Forward counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much is that? What is the answer? Answer is 8. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. This is the equal to sign children. Remember this is the equal to sign and this is the addition sign. Plus sign. We also say plus. So 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Okay. Now that's it children. Now I hope you understood all this. I hope you understood addition. Remember what is the addition? Addition means combining all the objects together. Whenever you do addition, the number increases. Okay? So now addition means joining everything together. Okay children? Now it was nice teaching you children. Now let us sing the goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go home. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go home. Goodbye, my dear children. Have a nice day.